Hi students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Yesterday in our last class we discussed reading B, the town child and the country child. Today we shall go with the C reading. Okay, today we shall go with the C reading. The new blue dress. Okay, the new blue dress. What is meant by new blue dress? Why the title has been given as the new blue dress? Who are the characters? There are characters. Little girl. There is a place called Gates Avenue. It's a street name. It's a street name. And there is also a teacher in the school where the little girl goes. Where does it happen, this story? In Cleveland. Okay, in Cleveland it happened, the story. Take all of your textbooks and follow while I read. Okay? The new blue dress. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change Gates Avenue. Okay, Gates Avenue is a street in Cleveland. Okay, when the spring came to the city, which means when the change came to the city, all over the city of Cleveland, but the Gates Avenue street did not change at all. People who lived on the pretty streets near Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. So near to the Gates Avenue street, those who are living, they were making gardens, they were being tidy, they were making gardens, painting houses and all, etc. But Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. But the same Gates Avenue street, although other streets are being remodified, although other streets in the Cleveland city are being remodified, but this Gates Avenue street did not change at all. Gates Avenue was a short street, but it seemed longer because it was so ugly. Okay, this street is a very small street in Cleveland, but it looked very long. Why? Because those who walk on the streets, they feel it is very long because it was very dirty and ugly, and nobody likes to walk on the street. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. Okay, the people who are living there in Gates Avenue had very little money because all the people were very poor. They never expected to have any more. Okay, they were very poor. They had very little money, and they never expected to have more money. Their houses had not been painted in many years, and they did not even have running water. Okay, for years and years, they did not have painted their houses, as well as they even did not have running water, which means they don't have water facility also in the streets. The street itself was ugly too, because the street itself was ugly. Everywhere dirt and everywhere untidiness. Okay, that's why that street everywhere, everything was very ugly. There was no pavement. Pavement means pavement. A street or a road where people walk. Okay, pavement means a road where people walk. There was no pavement, there was no street light. Okay, there is no pavement, there is no proper road to walk on with people, as well as there is no street light facility also. And the railroad at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. These are the qualities of Gates Avenue. Another disgusting thing is that at the end of the street there is a railroad, which means a railway track was there. Okay, there was railway track, adding another noise and dirt along with these qualities. The other girls in the school near Gates Avenue were new and pretty close that spring. Okay, there is a school near the Gates Avenue. All the girls in that school wear new and pretty dresses everywhere. But the little girl from Gates Avenue still wore the dirty dress that she had worn all winter. But there is a little girl from Gates Avenue. That girl, every time she was wearing only a dirty dress. Okay, everywhere, all the winter season, she wore only one single dress. Probably that was the only dress she owned. Maybe that little girl might be owning only that single dress only. Maybe that's why she was wearing all winter the same dress. Her teacher was very unhappy. The girl was so nice. She always worked hard in school. By seeing this little girl, the teacher in the school was very unhappy by seeing that she was wearing only one single dress, all winter, every day same dress. That's why the teacher felt very unhappy. The little girl was so nice. She was hard working in school. Okay, she was a nice girl. She was a hard working girl. She was always friendly and polite. Okay, her character is she always friendly with other students, as well as she was also polite. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy, but anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. Okay, her hair was untidy, her face was dirty. Okay, but anyone could understand by seeing her that she had a very pretty face under that dirt, which means if she washes her face and wears new dress, she looks more beautiful. That's why here she said anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. One day the teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning? Please do that just for me." So one day the teacher called this little girl and tell, "One day just for my sake, you just wash your face when you come tomorrow to school. Just please do that just for me." The teacher requested the small girl. The next morning, the child's pretty face was clean and her hair tidy. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." So that next morning, the girl washed her face and came to school. Okay, she was looking pretty well, pretty good. Teacher was also happy. Now, again the teacher called that small girl or little girl and requested her to tell her mother or ask her mother to wash her dress so that the dress also looks pretty good. The next morning she came to school in the new blue dress. But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. Her mother is not probably interested in her, the teacher thought. But even though she requested to wash the dress, but she came in the same dress every day. So the teacher thought that her mother might not be interested in her, okay, to wash her clothes or to keep that little girl clean and tidy. So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. So the teacher thought that I could buy a dress, a new dress, and give to that little girl. So the teacher bought a new bright blue dress and gave to this little girl. Okay, after seeing that dress, the little girl became very happy, took that dress and immediately rushed to her home. The next morning, she came to school in the new blue dress and she was very clean and tidy. So the next morning, that little girl wore the new blue dress and she was very clean, pretty face. She came to school. She told her teacher, "My mother couldn't believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in my new dress." So the little girl is telling, "Teacher, my mother could not believe me. I am this girl because when I am clean and tidy, I look very beautiful. That's why my mother was very surprised to see me in this new blue dress. My father wasn't at home, but he will see me at supper tonight. She was full of excitement. So, teacher, my father was not there in the morning, but surely he will come for the supper during night. That time, if he sees me, he will feel very happy. The little girl told the teacher. When her father saw her in her new blue dress, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty little girl. When he saw that little girl in the evening, during the supper time, he was amazed and surprised. Amazed, surprised. Okay, he was very much amazed and surprised to see that he had a very pretty little daughter. When the family ate supper, he was even more amazed to see a cloth on the kitchen table. Until then, there was no cloth on the kitchen table. But this time, there was a cloth on the kitchen table. By seeing that, he became very surprised. The family had never used a tablecloth before. Okay, see, a little girl's change, okay, brought the change in the whole family. That's why they put a new tablecloth. We are going to begin to be tidier here, his wife said. I am ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. So, husband, now onwards we have to be very much tidier because our daughter is so clean, but we are dirty. So, from now onwards, we have to be more tidy. Okay, so the wife said to her husband. So, dear students, running water means water coming from the main supply when taps are turned on. Okay, water, no regular water that we get. Pavement, footpath, where a road where people walk. Excited means having a strong feeling here. Okay, so you watch this video again and again. Underline the hard words and send it to me. If you have any doubts, you can call me so that I will reply you back. Okay, we will continue this lesson in the next video. Thank you.